Ratchet. Adjective. Someone who is either a whore, dirty, nasty, ghetto as hell, annoying, or even just busted. Bruh, you see that prostitute that just walked by?
She mad ratchet.
I know, right? Ew.
Bruh, why you being so ratchet, bruh? Why are you being so
Don't call me ratchet when your mama went and bought you your underwear at Gap, you ratchet ass motherfucker.
Oh, hell no!
Don't call me ratchet. Don't come at me with ratchet, because I come at you with ratchet, you know, bruh? Alright? Yeah. Stand down. Stand down. Stand down. Stand down. Stand down. Ratchet!
Microgasm.
An inferior sexual climax, usually very muted and short of duration, that leaves one generally unsatisfied or with a feeling of lack.
The cause of which can vary, but some of the reasons can be an unattractive partner, a particularly bad partner, lack of partner, distraction/preoccupation with something else, severe intoxication, among others.
And now enjoy our skits.
How was your day with Crystal last night? Score?
Yeah, but during the act, I couldn't stop looking away from her neck. That weird mole. Do you know there's 7 hairs growing out of that thing? Anyways, as we were going, I couldn't tear my eyes away from it. I was only able to pop off a microgasm.
Are you gonna see her again?
I don't think so.
No.
G-spot hitters!
An affiliated, yet organized group of washers native to the Safeway region of Mill Valley, California.
The alleged G-spot hitters love to smoke cigarettes, drop out of high school, and hit on freshman girls before the pubes get to them. Yo, bro. So my mansion's all open tonight and whatnot, and I'm trying to have the raw beer punk funk. You dig? Invite all the homies.
Even the G-spot hitters?
Nah, they don't roll, bro. Speed penis. A quick drawing of a cock and balls on your classmates know when they either fall asleep or aren't paying attention.
Can also be used as a verb, as in the act of speed penising.
Yo, dude. Check out how many speed penises I could draw on Franny's notebook while he's asleep. Watch, bro. Hey, Franny, you just got speed penised!
What?
Look at your notebook, bro! Hella penises and balls! What's up, everybody? My name is Paywan, and this is
Francois.
and we are here bringing you guys words that we think are funny off of Urban Dictionary with goofy meanings and whatnot.
Hilarious.
And if you want, you can tell us your favorite words and we'll feature them in our next video. So we hope to hear from you pretty soon. I guess
What can we say?
peace for now. So enjoy the video. Hope you guys liked it.
Bye-bye.
Later.